Welcome to my creative corner. I'm Nadia, a professional graphic designer by day and a passionate crafter by heart. Join me on a colorful journey through the world of crafting, where I explore the magic of Lipan art, clay craft, paper craft, canvas art, and much more. In this space, creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. Each video is a unique blend of my design expertise and the joy I find in crafting, offering a mix of tutorials, tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into my creative process. Let's transform ordinary materials into extraordinary masterpieces. From sculpting adorable clay figures to crafting stunning paper creations and unleashing the vibrant possibilities on canvas, we'll dive into diverse crafting realms together. Join my growing community of art and craft, where imagination takes center stage and every project is a celebration of creativity. Subscribe now, and let's embark on a journey where art and craft collide, resulting in a symphony of colors, textures, and endless inspiration. Are you ready to craft with purpose and passion? Hit that subscribe button and let the crafting adventure begin.